Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, time for a little bit of an update here on my cancer journey. I figured I would keep you guys in the know as to how things are going, so here we go. I'm getting ready to take my pills. I am on chemo pills right now that I have to take twice a day, 2 weeks on and 1 week off, and then we'll do scans again. Coming up pretty soon in the end of July, I think. It's almost end of June now, so about a month, about 6 weeks maybe out from my scans. And then we'll know whether these pills that I'm taking are effective or not, because I'm trying to manage my cancer treatments while still living my life and enjoying my summertime. I have some vacations planned and stuff. So I'm trying to make chemo as easy as I can for me. For those of you that don't know, I have stage 4 colorectal cancer. Stage 4 meaning, yes, it has metastasized. I have some mets in my lungs. And stage 4, you know, it used to be when I was a younger person that if someone said, oh, they have stage 4 cancer, well, you could plan to not see them around anytime soon. Soon they would be leaving this earth, they would be passing away because they had stage 4 cancer, but that's not the case anymore. I'm here to tell you that if you know someone who has stage 4 cancer, you know me. Hi, I have stage 4 cancer. What that means is I'm living with my cancer. So I'm learning how to manage the cancer. It's managed like a chronic disease now, like lupus, like diabetes, like any other chronic disease that people live with. It's the same thing for cancer now. Stage 4 means you are living with your cancer. You're figuring out treatments, what works, what keeps this under control, and lets you still live your life. So that's what I'm doing. And we're trying the capecitabine pills right now, the chemo, that will hopefully regulate everything and keep everything steady, or we're always hoping for a decrease, right? That's something we're always hoping for too. And meanwhile, I'm waiting for cancer treatments to catch up with me so that we can eradicate these mets and so that I can get back to living a life without chemo in the picture. I would love that, and so would a lot of other stage 4 patients who are on chemo on a pretty regular basis, and that's how they manage it. So there are some clinical trials, some new drugs out there on the horizon, some immunotherapies, some vaccines, all kinds of good things that are in the future, that are in the works. They're in, like I said, clinical trials right now. For those of us who are hoping to not have to be on chemo forever, we would love to be able to have a cure, and a cure for cancer is coming. I can tell you that it is coming. There are advances all the time. Just in the time that I was diagnosed with colorectal cancer, which was in 2022, and it's now 2025, so that's just 3 years. There's been so many advances. Unfortunately, my type of cancer is becoming more and more common for younger and younger people. So please, as I always say, I'm going to end this video by saying, if anything seems strange to you, if anything seems off, if your body is telling you something is not normal, please go ahead and make an appointment and go see your doctor. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's just something simple that you can make some adjustments and get things fixed for you. Hopefully that's the case. But let me just be the one to say that I thought that I had that problem, that I had hemorrhoids, and it turns out it was colon cancer. So don't take the risk and fight for yourself. Advocate. If it seems strange and the doctor says, no, you're too young, never mind, don't give up. You keep fighting. You find a different doctor and you go see someone who's going to help you to get a diagnosis of what's going on with you, or if nothing's going on with you. You keep fighting for yourself. Be your own best advocate. And that's my advice for you guys today. And I hope that you have a great day. And I'll see you soon on another video here on YouTube.